Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to access your signature settings within your Gmail account. To begin with, we're going to go up to this cogwheel in the settings to view all of the settings. So at the top, we're going to click again another button that says See All Settings. And now we're going to scroll almost all the way to the bottom, and you'll find an area labeled Signature. And so you can add a new signature by clicking the plus button. Give it a title, and then you'll have a box here that gives you some rich text editing options. And so you're going to want to include your name, your school, your graduation year, and an email address to be sure that whoever you're contacting has all of the tools that they need in order to reach you. You might be wondering why you need an email address included in an email that somebody could reply to, but sometimes your contact information and your old emails are forwarded to other recipients, and that information may not be attached to all of those forwarding emails and other versions of kind of passing your information along. So we want to make sure that everybody has all of the information and that there's no excuse for someone to be able to get in contact with you. They need to. The one catch is once you're done formatting what you want your signature to look like, this doesn't automatically save. So make sure you scroll all the way down and click the Save Changes button, and you should be all set.